Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. Today, we're breaking down how to make a guy like you without overthinking or forcing it. Attraction isn't about changing yourself. It's about the little things that naturally draw people in. So, let's get into 5 low-key ways to make a guy genuinely interested in you. 1. Keep things playful. Guys are naturally drawn to girls who make things fun and lighthearted. If you're too serious or trying too hard to impress him, it can feel forced. Instead, add a little playful energy to your conversations. Tease him in a friendly way like, "Wow, that's your go-to excuse," when he messes something up. Give him a nickname based on something funny he did. Roll your eyes and smirk when he tries to act cool. It'll make him laugh. This type of playful energy keeps interactions interesting and makes you stand out. No pressure, just good vibes. 2. Use eye contact the right way. Eye contact is underrated. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to create instant chemistry. If he's talking, actually hold his gaze for a second longer than usual before looking away. If you catch him looking at you, instead of quickly looking down, meet his eyes and give a small smile. During conversations, lock eyes when making a point. It makes the moment feel more personal. Guys pick up on this without even realizing it. Eye contact adds a little tension in the best way. 3. Show genuine interest in him, without overdoing it. People love talking about themselves, and guys are no exception. The key is to show that you're actually listening without acting like a fan. If he's into something, music, a sport, or a hobby, ask him about it. Even if you don't know much, curiosity is attractive. When he tells a story, follow up with, "Wait, what happened next?" instead of just saying, "Oh, cool." If you disagree on something, don't be afraid to challenge him a little. It makes things interesting. This makes him feel heard and respected, which is way more attractive than just nodding along to everything he says. 4. Be subtly affectionate without being over the top. Physical touch plays a huge role in attraction, but it has to feel natural, not forced. Instead of making it obvious, try small, casual touches. Lightly touch his arm when laughing at something he says. If you're walking side by side, gently nudge him if he jokes around. Fix his hoodie string or brush something off his shoulder if needed. It's effortless but noticeable. These subtle moves create a sense of closeness without making things awkward. 5. Be comfortable in your own space. Confidence isn't about trying to act cool. It's about being comfortable with yourself. When a girl seems at ease in her own space, guys notice. Don't try too hard to be perfect. Own your quirks instead of hiding them. If you're in a group, don't only focus on him, be engaged with everyone. Speak your mind when needed. You don't have to agree with everything he says to get his attention. Guys like girls who seem happy with or without them. That's what makes them want to be around you more. Attraction isn't about chasing someone or changing who you are. It's about creating a vibe that naturally draws people in. Keep things playful, show interest, use subtle eye contact, and just be yourself. That's what makes someone think about you even after you're gone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you next time.